Hi, my name is Adam Ware and I'm the restaurant manager at the restaurant at Neethlingshof. Wine Down Wednesdays is what we do on Wednesdays at Neethlingshof, where we have live music, pizzas, platters, etc. down at our wine tasting centre. Unfortunately, with the lockdown at the moment, we're unfortunately not able to do that. However, we have managed to get Juan Casey, one of our regular musicians, who's going to be doing a live version for us online tomorrow night. With the wine and the music, pizza is also one of the big draw cards to these evenings, and I'm just going to be going through the basics on how you can do some of the pizzas that we make at the restaurant at home. So enjoy. Okay, so I have scaled this down slightly to obviously make it a little bit more easier for you to make at home. The ratio that I'm using, you're probably going to get around 6 pizza bases out of it. You would need 1 kilo of cake flour. A lot of you will have yeast at home. If you don't have cake flour and yeast, make do with your normal self-raising flour. That should also work. You'll need a dash of olive oil. You'll need some salt, and you'll need about 500 ml of lukewarm water. So first thing we're going to do is you have your cake flour in your mixing bowl, and you're going to add around a tablespoon of olive oil. Once that olive oil is in the bowl, you're going to get your hands nice and dirty and sift through the olive oil, or sift the olive oil into the flour. And I suppose like when you're making scones, the ladies will make scones, or the gents will make scones, run it through your fingers just to get rid of all the olive oil lumps that are in the flour. So once your olive oil is nicely worked through, you can take about 2 teaspoons of salt and your yeast and just sift that through, work that through lightly. Obviously, if you've got a mixer at home, a dough mixer at home, you can use that. Makes it easier, but this is a lot more fun.